Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write a essay Morning Walk. I get up early in the morning. I and Hamza go out for a walk. We usually go to the park. We enjoy cool breeze. Many people are also there. Some people do jogging in groups. Others only walk fast. Many of our friends also reach there. Chirping of birds casts a spell over us. The flowers add more to our enjoyment. We spend an hour there. We return to our homes to go to school. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.